Hi, hi, hi creatives, Somi here and welcome back to my channel AI by Som. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create your comic fruit videos and also animate it, something like this.
Hey there, your naturally sweet snack buddy. Bananas are packed with potassium, fiber, and energy to help your muscles stay strong and your tummy feel happy.
I'm Apple. I contain fiber and antioxidants that can help keep your heart healthy and support digestion.
Now you can use this for your educational or entertainment purposes. Let us create. First off, we'll be creating our avatar using ChatGPT, or you can use any image creation tool of your choice. So now I'm just going to open my ChatGPT and then I'll input this simple prompt. I'll be pasting this prompt in the description box. If you're using this for your TikTok or your shorts, do well to put it in 9 by 16 aspect ratio. But if you're using it for maybe YouTube, then it's 16 by 9. So I'll go ahead and click generate and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. So our image is ready and this is very cute. This is exactly what I want. So I'll just save this to my device. Then still in ChatGPT, I'm going to write, give me a short health script for my banana character to say. So ChatGPT will be generating what our avatar will say. Now this is good. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. So I'll go ahead and copy this and then we'll be going over to the next tool to animate our character. Now you just have to open your browser and type Google Labs Flow. That's the website we'll be using to animate. So Google Labs Flow, make sure it's this one with this icon you are selecting. Then once this is loaded, you go ahead and sign up if it's your first time using the app. Sign up with your Gmail, of course. Then it will get you to this interface. So once it gets you to this interface, you just click on New Project and upload your image. So Google Apps will give you 50 credits per day. This might not be a lot because it's a free tool. So you can just switch emails. You can log out and log in with another email to get extra 50 credits. So click on New Project, then go to your settings and select video because we are trying to generate video. Click on video, change the aspect ratio to 9 by 16. Then make sure you select ×1, else your video will be generating twice and that will be wasting your credit. Then you go ahead and save your settings. Then you come over here where you see a plus sign, click on it, click on this icon here, select photo library and select your image. Now our image is loading, so we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy what we want our avatar to say. So I've copied it now. Then I'll go over to Google Labs Flow and paste my prompt. Now because this is a free tool, it generates for just 8 seconds. So what you want your avatar to say shouldn't be long, else it will not generate everything. You just need to copy it batch by batch. So here I'll just type let the character say, then paste what I want my character to say. Now I'm trying to tweak it. I'm removing something so that it will be shorter. Then I'll go ahead and generate. So this takes like 3 to 5 minutes. So you just have to exercise patience while your video generates. So our video is generating now. So now our video is ready. Let us play it.
Hey there, your naturally sweet snack buddy.
Are
Bananas are
you
packed
seeing
with
that this is so
potassium,
perfect?
fiber,
The
and
lip
energy
sync,
to help your
everything
muscles stay
so
strong
on
and your
point.
tummy feel
Google
happy.
Apps Pro is actually very good with generating your videos. Like one of the free tools that will give you results like the paid tools. So I'll go ahead and save this to my device. Then I'll go over to the next character. So now I'm switching to the desktop site. Just the same way we did for our banner character, I'll be doing for the next character. That's the way I did for my banana character. I'll go ahead and open ChatGPT and paste my prompt. So I'll paste my prompt and click generate and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. So image is ready, you guys, and this is perfect. So I'll just go ahead and save this to my device. I'll be pasting all these prompts in the description. But even if you want to get your own prompt, like what I'm doing now, I'm just telling ChatGPT to give me a prompt for a female apple. Now I don't need to start creating my prompt from scratch. So I'll just say give me a prompt for a female apple and strawberry. Then ChatGPT will give me the prompt and I'll go ahead to generate. Now, since we are not using paid tool, ChatGPT gives you 5 image creation daily. So as always, you can switch email if you are creating more than 5 images. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just creating 5 images. So this works perfect for me. Perfect. ChatGPT have given me my apple and strawberry character prompt. So I'll just copy this, paste it back on ChatGPT and generate my images. So you can always go through your prompts, tweak it if there is anything you don't like, or add something that will just make your character to stand out. That's what I'm doing now. I'm adding some things. Then I will go ahead and generate. Yo, our image is ready and it's cute. I love this. So I'll just save this, then generate my next character. So here I'll just copy the second prompt, paste it, tweak it, and generate. Perfect. So this is everything for our image creation. I'll just save all my images. Then I'll go ahead to ask ChatGPT to give me what each character will say. So this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to type, give me a short script for my pineapple, apple, strawberry, watermelon characters, talking about health benefits and the best time of the day to eat them. So this my video is basically for educational purposes. So I'll go ahead and generate and ChatGPT will give me my scripts. You don't even need to crack your brain too much. ChatGPT will do all the work for you. So this is everything for pineapple, apple, everything. And it's exactly what I want. So I'll just copy. So if you have watched to this point, kindly subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Like, share, and drop me a really nice comment. Thank you. So I'll go ahead and copy this, go over to Google Labs Flow and Animate, just the same way we did for our first character. Open my browser, type Google Labs Flow, click on this particular icon, sign up if it's your first time with your email. Once you get to this interface, click on New Project, upload your image, paste your prompts, and generate. Very simple and very straightforward. Click on New Project, come over here and input all your settings. 9 by 16, click on times 1, select view 3.0 and save your setting. Then click on this plus icon, upload image and select your image. So this is pretty straightforward, just everything we've done before. So once your image loads, you just click on add to prompt. Then you go ahead and paste your prompt. Tweak anything you want to tweak and generate. Here I'm just typing let the character say. Then I've reduced it so it can give me that 8 seconds that flow generates. Then I'm going to go ahead and generate my video. Then I'll just wait for this to generate. So if you're using your desktop and stuff like this pops up, I don't see this when I'm using my phone though, but if I'm using my desktop, it always shows. So if this pops up, just go ahead and select approve. It's basically the agent confirming what you want before they can generate your image. So you just click on approve and wait for your video to generate. So our video is loading. Perfect. Our video is ready, so let us play it.
Hi, friends. I'm packed with vitamin C and bromelain, which can help support digestion and your
Can
immune
you see
system. The
that?
best time to enjoy me is after a
Can you
meal.
see that this is perfect? So you just save it to your device. So this is basically what to do for each of your characters. So I'm going to just narrate for other characters off camera so that we'll save time. Then once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and open my CapCut. The same way you edit your video, you just select all your different clips. So I'll just go ahead and drag it down here. Now I'm going to switch the one I want to come first. So this is exactly how I want it. Then I'm going to add animation to it so that the video will make sense. Now this one is optional, but if you want, you can just add caption to your video, which is also nice. But here I'm not adding caption for this one, so I'll just put the animations. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just putting animations for each clip. Yeah,
Hi, friends.
and
I'm
that's
packed with
all.
vitamin
I've added animation to all the clips. Then I'll go ahead
I'm
and
packed with
export
vitamin
it. So once this is done, then your video is ready. So at
Hey
the end of
there,
the day,
your
you have
naturally sweet
something like
snack
this.
buddy.
This is just
Bananas are
perfect.
packed with
It's
potassium, fiber,
nice,
and
it's sweet,
energy to
it's
help your muscles
beautiful.
stay strong
So
and
this is
your
basically
tummy
how
feel
to create
happy.
this kind of
I'm Apple.
video.
I contain fiber and
Easy peasy.
antioxidants that can help keep your heart healthy and support digestion. Hi, friends. I'm packed with vitamin C and bromelain, which can help support digestion and your immune system. The best time to enjoy me is after a meal. Hey there, I'm Strawberry. I'm rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. I can be enjoyed at breakfast, as a midday snack, or blended into a healthy smoothie.
I'm Watermelon. I'm mostly water, which helps keep you hydrated, and I'm loaded with vitamins A and C. Eat me on a warm afternoon.
So this is all for this video. This is how to create your fruit talking videos. Very simple, very unique, very straightforward. So if you have watched to this point, subscribe to me if you are not yet subscribed. Like, share, and drop me a really nice comment. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.